हेलो गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू अंकिता's किचन। और आज हम बनाएंगे वेज हाका नूडल्स। सो लेट्स क्विकली गेट इट स्टार्टेड विद द रेसिपी। Here I have some water which is boiling up. To that we'll add some generous amount of salt and some vegetable oil. To that we'll add the veg hakka noodles once the water is boiling. I've added 2 packets of veg hakka noodles. Now you need to cook the noodles as it's instructed on the packet. Please follow the instructions. For me, I'll cook mine for about 3 minutes. Once the noodles are cooked, we are going to drain the water and give it a good rinse with cold water. Apply some oil on the noodles and keep it aside. Here I have 3 tablespoons of oil heating up. To that we'll add some chopped garlic. Very easy and simple recipe. To that we'll add some sliced onions, some carrots, some capsicum, some cabbages. We'll saute the vegetables for about a minute or two because we need a little crunch. Some spring onions. Give it a good toss. Salt to taste and some freshly cracked pepper. Finally, we'll add the boiled noodles. Some chili oil. If you do not have chili oil, you can skip it. Some chili sauce, some soy sauce. Toss everything together. Finally, we'll add a tablespoon of vinegar. Give it a good mix. Some spring onion greens and serve it hot. This is how it looks like, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you soon.